What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing safari. He's flattening the tires, as you can see. Anyway. So we are here at the camel farm right here where they feed the camels and they get them ready to do their activities and stuff. The view behind me is, I'll try to get it to focus, it's insane. It's the golden hour. As you can see, it's insane. And whenever you approach, they start coming around. They're like very friendly. Look at this guy. They're young camels because the other ones are huge. These are the small ones. So yeah, anyway, that's part of the safari tour. It's a different world, you know, completely different to what you're used to. Forget Wi-Fi, forget internet, forget whatever. It's just how things used to be, you know what I mean? It's how things used to be. So yeah. After that insane ride on the sand dunes and then interacting with the camels at the camel farm, it was time for us to relax a little bit, so we headed to the camp where we would have some entertainment and our dinner. Okay, so after the camel farm, we just reached the camp, finally. Let me show you. That's the dancer right there. I can't believe this is happening in the middle of the desert, guys. Look at this sand dune right here. Okay, so I guess as you saw, that was the dancer, and now they just announced that the dinner's ready. So we're gonna go get some dinner. Open buffet, but there's a queue. Guess I'll wait. that was the safari. Too bad I didn't have a chance to do the skiing. However, we did enjoy our time here. It cost about 160 dirhams. 160 dirhams, so pretty affordable. They pick you up from a certain spot, whatever you tell them, and then they drop you off at home. I think it's worth it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like, give it a like and a subscribe would be massively appreciated. Catch you guys on the next one.